write the question alone. Okay, so read the word problem carefully. Maha has 11 balloons. Okay, so first write 11. 11. Okay, some balloons flew away. Some balloons flew away. Okay, she now, here I don't know how many balloons are flew away, so here I write space. She now has 5 balloons, so the answer is 5. Okay, again, Maha has 11 balloons. Okay, so I write number 11. Some balloons flew away. I don't know how many balloons flew away. Okay, so here I write space. She now has 5 balloons. So here the answer is 5, so I write equals 5. Okay, I want to know how many balloons are flew away. Okay, now I write the question and I want to know the missing number here. I write the question and here I have missing number in the question. Okay, in the missing number, I here write the number in the question and I have the answer. So if you see the answer and missing number, it's called missing number questions. Okay, here, but I don't write the sign. Who can tell me what is the sign here, plus or minus? The sign here is minus. Why is minus? Because we said before, if I start with the bigger number, so the answer is about subtraction or addition, the sign will be minus or plus. The sign will be minus. Why? Because in subtraction we take away. So you should in subtraction start with the bigger number. So if you start with the bigger numbers, the sign will be minus. Okay, but if we start with the smaller number and the answer will be the bigger number, so the sign will be plus. Okay, so if you start with the bigger number, the sign will be minus. Okay, now I have a question. 11 minus space equals 5. Okay, what can I do here in this question? If you see the missing number, make subtraction. If you see the missing number here, make subtraction. Like what? We said before in subtraction, if the sign is minus, close your fingers and count after the smaller number to reach the bigger number. Here we will make the same steps. Okay, so here we have missing numbers and we said if you have the question about missing numbers, make the steps like you make subtractions question. Okay, so here you count, you close your fingers and count after 5 to reach 11. You count here after the smaller number to reach the bigger number. So close your fingers and count after 5 to reach number 11. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 6. So the answer is 6. Okay, let's make sure that my answer is right. Okay, here 11 minus 6 equals 5. I want to make sure. What can I do? Count after 6 to reach number 11. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 5. The answer here is 5. So your answer is right. Okay, another question. Here in a class there are 15 boys. So here I write 15. Okay. If the total number of boys and girls in this class is 20. Okay. Here you see the total number, so the answer is 20. Okay. How many girls are in this class? Okay, I don't know how many girls. Here in the classroom we have 15 boys. And the total of the class here is 20. So the answer is 20. Here I don't know the sign. Will be plus or minus. If I start with a smaller number and the answer is bigger than the first number, the sign will be plus or minus. Plus. So here I write the sign is plus. Because here I start with a smaller number. I have 15 and 20. Which one is bigger? 20. So if the answer is the bigger number, the sign will be plus. But if I start with the bigger number, the sign will be minus. Don't forget. Okay, here, so here my question is 15 plus space equals 20. And we said before, it's a missing number. If you have a question and you have an answer, it's called missing number. Okay, and in the missing number, we make subtraction. We make it like subtraction. So here, close your fingers. If you see missing number, close your fingers and count after the smaller to reach the bigger. So here you count after 15 to reach number 20. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many fingers? 5. So here I write number 5. I want to make sure that my answer is right. What can I do? Make it as a usual question. 15 plus 5. 15 in my mind, 5 on my fingers. And count after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The answer is 20, so your answer is right. Okay. Here. Okay, here we have a question about complete the missing numbers. Okay, we said before, if you see missing numbers, make it like subtraction. Okay, so in subtraction, you count after the smaller number to reach the bigger number. Okay, if the sign is plus or minus, you will make the same steps. If the sign is plus or minus in missing number, you will make the same steps and answer it like subtraction. Okay, here 6 plus space equals 9. Okay, I see missing number, so I count after the smaller to reach the bigger. So I count after 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 3. So the answer is 3. Okay, here 9 plus space equals 11. So here you will count after 9 to reach number 11. After 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 2. Okay, here 5 plus space equals 14. So you count after 5 to reach number 14. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 9. So the answer is 9. Okay, 8 minus space equals 5. The same steps. Okay, here I will count after 5 to reach number 8. After 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 3. So the answer is 3. Okay, here 10 minus space equals 6. So here I count after 6 to reach number 10. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 4. Here 16 minus space equals 9. So I count after 9 to reach number 16. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers? 7. So the answer is 7. And don't forget to make sure, okay? This is about our lesson today. Thank you and bye.